Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of changing the keyboard shell on your MSI laptop. It's a straightforward procedure, but you'll need to follow each step carefully to avoid any damage. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage from static electricity. Make sure you're working in a clean environment to keep your components safe. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial to ensure your safety during the procedure. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the bottom panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to lift the bottom panel off. Be cautious not to break any clips that may be holding it in place. Take your time here, as rushing can lead to damage. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the keyboard connection. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the connector latch. If you've never done this before, it may require a bit of patience. After disconnecting the keyboard, remove any screws securing the keyboard shell in place. These are usually located around the edges. Once unscrewed, gently lift the keyboard shell away from the laptop. If it's stuck, use the prying tool to help release any clips. With the old keyboard shell removed, it's a good time to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow away any dust and debris. Remember, keeping your laptop clean can improve its performance and longevity. Now, it's time to install the new keyboard shell. Align it properly and press it into place, ensuring all clips are secure. Reattach the screws you previously removed to hold the shell firmly in place. Reconnect the keyboard ribbon cable by gently pressing it back into the connector. Make sure it's seated properly to avoid any keyboard malfunctions. Before closing everything up, it's wise to power on your laptop to check if the keyboard works correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're not comfortable with the repair, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. If everything is functioning as expected, turn off the laptop again and proceed to reattach the bottom panel. Align it carefully and press down until all clips snap back into place. Lastly, replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the bottom panel. Don't forget to reinsert the battery if you removed it initially. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the keyboard shell on your MSI laptop. If you need a quote before repair or further assistance, feel free to reach out to us for more information. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.